Hey guys, welcome back to eDoggy's Garage. Thanks for stopping by. Behind me is our 1965 Mustang 427 Hemi small block build. We built this car 16 years ago and it's been a great car, but it's time for some upgrades. We're going to take you through all of that. We're going to put a different engine in it, all new front suspension, new brakes, new transmission. We're going to modify the rear end housing, put in a new third member and new axles. We're going to make this thing more of an autocrosser than just a regular street car. We've got some things to do inside the driver's compartment. Classic Instruments is going to help us with some of their new autocross gauges. We got a lot going on. Today I'm down here pulling the rear end out. We're going to make some changes on it and I'll show you what we're going to do. So as I said, I'm down here pulling the rear end housing out of the Mustang. We're going to make some changes to the rear end housing. We're going to cut 1 inch off each side, so we're going to narrow it because we want to put forge line wheels on it, and we want to develop a certain amount of concave with the wheel width that we're trying to create. We're going to put a strange third member in it that's designed for autocross. We're going from a 28 spline to a 35 spline axle. Other than that, the suspension is going to stay the same. So today I'm down here to take the housing out, getting this project started. So I got the rear end housing out from underneath the Mustang. Something I've never done before. I've never narrowed an axle housing. So I'm going to take 1 inch off of each side. I'm going to add some structure to it to give it a little bit more support, which these are going to be heavily modified. We don't have as much room behind the differential housing to have all of that meet, so we're going to actually narrow those down slightly and we're going to shorten them up. And then we've got this All-Star Performance bung, real nice cap. We're going to add that to the housing also. So that'll be something that you'll see in the future from us. Come on back, see us at eDoggy's Garage. Subscribe so that we can give you notifications when we put up new videos. We're new to this YouTube thing, but we're not new to cars. So I'll see you next time on eDoggy's Garage.